like the humans have left the room, so I'm just gonna squeeze in the bowl here, and when they drop in the new goldfish, old Ginger Snap will be waiting. What if they bring back a snapping turtle?
Guess what time it is?
Please don't say jump a clock, Greg.
It's jump a clock!
Greg, for the last time, that's not a real thing!
Oh, jump a clock is my favorite time.
Well, my favorite time is time to die, Greg. I'm bringing it. I'm bringing it to all your 9 lives.
Hey!
Oh, your lucky mom saved you.
Yeah, you would say that, scaredy cat.
Ginger. So I clawed him. But now I'm worried. What if I went too deep? What if he didn't make it? Oh, you gotta hide me. How about under this pillow? Oh, I'm climbing the walls here. I can't go back to the kennel.
Catty nip, I want a mouse. Catch me a mouse as fast as I meow. Swat it, lick it, and pierce it with your teeth, and put it in the litter for you and me. Round 2, what the? Please!